I am Charu Dattahande. I am working as a Deputy Superintendent of Police and I am posted in the Thane area. In the last few months, our department had faced many difficulties going inside the mangroves to search and raid the illicit liquor production spots. We thought of using drones to keep an eye on such illicit liquor production spots. So our department started working on this plan and prepared a report of the required specifications. Then we contacted Idea Forge. Keeping our proposed specifications in mind, their marketing team guided us and suggested a Netra V3 drone for our mission. We took the right decision and decided to use the Idea Forge Netra V3 drone. My team and I received complete training at the Idea Forge head office. The Idea Forge team guided us both practically and theoretically. Drones can be used by all police departments as per their requirement. In our case, the State Excise Department helps the Maharashtra government in getting taxes of around 15 to 20 crores by stopping illegal liquor production and trade. The production of illicit liquor has been rising in the creek and hilly region of the Thane district, and it is directly impacting the taxes received by the government from Mumbai, suburban areas and Thane district. Our plan is to deploy Netra V3 to the hard-to-reach areas of the creek and the thick mangroves where our staff can't reach easily, and to get the live footage of the production spots. We will then be able to analyze the amount of production happening over there and also keep an eye on the illegal activities. With the help of this drone, we would also be able to identify and track the transportation of illicit liquor across states and cities. We will definitely be able to take better action against it. We can also monitor the movement of the vehicles through which transportation of illicit liquor takes place. Such vehicles entering Maharashtra state border from adjoining states like Diu Daman and Gujarat can be tracked down at the checkposts and the state borders with the help of these drones. This way, the Maharashtra government can control taxes and higher action can be taken on illegal liquor activity with the help of drones. Netra V3 does stand out. It has a lot of advanced technology in the operating software, payload with day and night cameras. With night cameras, we would be able to track activities of illegal liquor production at night and can be reached on the spot. We can also use it for other missions of the Excise Department, like if government land has been getting encroached, then you can take action by keeping an eye on it with the help of drones. The Metropolitan Municipality or the Forest Department can also use drones for various operations. If the mangroves are getting dumped with debris, then drones can be useful in preventing such activities. The police department can use drones to keep vigil at the rallies, protest, riots, and to monitor the crowd. It can act as a first responder, and actions can be taken with the help of it. The drone has many advantages and can be used easily.